Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the new Galaxy S20 Plus. It's the Asian version and I actually got this from Korea, so I hope it helps. Okay, so this is the box. It has S20 plus 5G on it, but I'm going to be using it on LTE. And let's open the box. Okay. There's the phone. It has a screen protector on it, but I'll probably be taking it off. And that's the back. Okay. And actually the Asian version comes with a case. It has that pin for your SIM card. And there's a case. It's a clear case. Okay. And let's see what we have here. Okay, we have the charger. The charger is actually C-to-C type. And that's just the little box. And let's see. Okay, that's the C-to-C type cable for your charging. And AKG earphones. Okay, okay, that's the earbuds. And Galaxy S20 got rid of the earphone jack, so it has Type C cable on it. Okay. I'm not sure if the other versions come with a case, but I've been hearing that the Asian versions are the only ones that comes with this clear case. So if anyone knows about this, please comment below so maybe I can get an idea. Okay, that was a quick unboxing of the new Galaxy S20 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed.